In this video, I'm going to be showcasing a $2 to $4 million per month Shopify store in what I call an asymmetric market. So this is an opportunity that I spotted recently doing some research, and I want to showcase it to you so that you can potentially take advantage of it, and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Now, first and foremost, the store is called jobs.com. Super clean domain name, and they sell red light therapy products, specifically this red light therapy mask. There's a lot of really interesting things here that I'm noticing and I want to showcase, but first let's go over their traffic. So we can see they are completely booming. I mean, their traffic is just going up and to the right. They're going to the moon with their traffic, and this is exactly what I love to find when I do my research. Now, the second interesting thing here is that they're getting about 61% of their traffic from the US, or driving traffic from the US. So that's incredible. That's an amazing market. It's the best market. It's the same market that I like to target for some of our own studio projects. So if you don't know, I run a company called Akemi and Shopilab. And at Akemi, it's actually an agency and studio where we're launching some of our own projects, as you see right here. These are from yesterday. And you can see we're getting really high conversion rates on our new product test, very profitably. And then even on some of our stores that we've launched recently, which we showcased entirely from literally zero to this, from coming up to the name and everything inside Shopilab, which is our accelerator platform. It's a learning center for Shopify. Make sure you check this out in the description. It's completely free to join. There are paid features, but you can join our community for free. So anyways, this store is in the red light therapy mask market, which is absolutely massive. I mean, this is literally a booming market. So they've been capitalizing on this trend consistently. Now, this isn't a new brand by any means. They were actually founded back in 2018, and they're from Shenzhen, China. So they sell things directly from China to the US. They do have US inventory as well, but they are based in China. Very interesting. Now, as you see, what's really interesting about this market is that there's tons of competition, but there's not really like a well-defined brand in this category. Like there's no Nike of red light therapy products, right? Like nobody really knows exactly which brand is the best. There's just a lot of people competing in these markets, but people are willing to try new brands. And it's because this is kind of a novel product category that not a lot of people know a ton about, but it's starting to get bigger and bigger. And that's why I call it an asymmetric market, because as you see, we got pretty wild price ranges, but nothing really below like $200 except for this one. And you see brands that are, selling some of these things for pretty crazy prices. Like this one is $600 and it looks very thin and not necessarily great quality, if I'm being honest. So, the one that Jobs is selling is $729. That's super expensive, but it does look very heavy duty and like it actually does a really good job at what it does. Now, here's a little hack. We're going to go over their ads first and foremost, because that's how they're driving traffic primarily. And that's how I like to drive traffic too. In fact, at Akemi, our agency, we actually only really run Meta ads for clients. We also do Google, but we mainly run Meta, and we see over 9 million a year in ad spend. So we know just how powerful the simple combination of Meta ads to Shopify can be. And all of these stores actually, they only run Meta ads to Shopify. That's all it is. Super simple, super profitable. Now, let's actually show you, let me show you a hack here on how you can hijack this. Now, here it is sourced and shipped. This is the same exact product, not actually the exact product. That's actually not true, but very similar. Perhaps maybe, not the same specs. It's probably a little bit less powerful, but what's really cool about this one though, is that it has a purple variant. I've never seen that before. And I think that alone can actually be a competitive advantage in this market. So this is a sourcing platform called TeamDrop. I'll leave the link in the description. It's absolutely free. And you can get to it as well by going to the Shopilab platform, shopilab.ai. And you can sign up through here. Now, when you do it through Shopilab, it's actually better because they'll give you priority sourcing. So you'll get faster quotes on any of the products that you want to source. But this product right here I have, and I actually might add this to one of our stores because I really do think it's great. And as you see, the total price with shipping included, right? So this means you don't have to order inventory. They will ship it for you, right? Directly to your customer automatically. It's going to cost in total $58. Now, inside Shopilab, I have a calculator, and this is super important. Nobody really talks about this in e-com, but when you launch your business, just having, a good idea of your numbers will make or break the business. I'm not even kidding. So for example, here I can put in my cost of goods, And this is, again, a free tool you can use. Just go to shopilab.ai, then go to ROAS calculator. It's 100% free. So I put in my COGS, and then let me just say a selling price of $199. That's actually super affordable in this niche, as I just showed you, right? That's a very affordable price for what you're getting here. So the value is extremely high for something like this. If we're able to charge $199 for something that other people are charging $500 for, that's great value, right? That's a great competitive advantage. Although I will say, just as a word of advice, I don't think it's a good idea to compete on price, especially since you're just launching your business, right? You're not I don't know who you are, right? Maybe you do have like a ton of money to make something work, but I believe in the idea of asymmetric risk. So I literally only launch products at $100 a day. So if it's not profitable within the first 2 or 3 or maybe $400, I don't even want to continue with that product, because it's just going to be a big time sink and money sink. That doesn't mean you can't make it work, but that's my idea of asymmetric risk. So in this case, I could even charge $299, and that's still an incredible deal. And then our break-even return on ad spend is 1.29, which is incredible. Like, that's a super strong profit margin, and that's why these companies are doing so well, because since their profit margins are so high, they're able to spend more on Meta. Therefore, they're able to acquire more of the market. It's really that simple. But you might be thinking, well, this might be really hard to launch, right? Like this looks really crazy. These images are insane. I'm not going to be able to get a product shoot like this for my brand. Well, let me show you something crazy that I just did here for you. So this is a tool called DraftPie. This is a tool that my agency team made so that we could all our agency team, including myself, so that we could all make static ads in seconds and product images. And as you see, all I did is I took the supplier image, which is this image, this one, and I copied it in here. Let me make this a little bit smaller. And then I took one of the images from the competitor, this one, literally just from their landing page right here. I just copied it and pasted it in here. And then I said, take the purple mask from the first attached image and swap it for the brown mask in the second image, and change the model to have blonde hair. Keep everything else from the second image the same. So the pose and everything. Honestly, this is a pretty simple prompt. You could get some really advanced prompts if you wanted to, but I like to just keep it simple for myself. And look at this, we get an incredible product image that is based on a winning product image from our competitors. This is another thing that not a lot of people talk about in e-com. Having really good product images is one of the most important things you need to focus on. Making really, really great product images, because guess what? A lot of people don't actually scroll your product page very much. They will scroll the images, and your images should be able to tell them everything they need to know about the product. I really love these images. So, for this product, I would try to, make similar images as the competitor as much as possible. And honestly, even copy some of their offers. I love the fact that they're giving away free products. I think that's such a genius thing to do. Just give away a free product and boom, you just added a ton of extra value. So in this case, right, we know that this product itself retails for $7.29. So what I could do is I could set this up so that our compare ad price is like $7.29, but our selling price is $2.99, and we could give away a free product that's worth $200 or $300. So then the total value of the offer is $1,000, but we're selling that for $2.99. That is an incredible offer. And if you're wondering, how you can set up a high converting store like the ones that we launch, as you see, all of them have above 5% conversion rate. They all use the same theme that we have in the free store builder that we built inside Shopify. So this is a theme that you can download. You just click here, and then it takes you to downloading the theme. Literally 100% free. Again, the reason we're launching all these free tools, guys, is because Shopify actually pays us. If you go through with your store for 3 months, they pay us a commission on that sign up. But we only get that if you keep your store for 3 months, and you can cancel your store at any time. So you don't have to spend any money. But of course, it's in our best interest to get you to succeed with your store. That's why we're building all these tools like DraftPie as well, and making it extremely affordable so you can succeed with your store. And then ideally, you can join our accelerator and even partner with my team, which is what I'm doing with some of these stores. I have partners from our community, from our Shopify Accelerator, that are building these stores with our guidance and templates. Now, here's the thing too, with the red light mask niche, like there's just literally so much demand. There's over 100,000 people looking this up every single month. And honestly, it's peaked at 300,000 people looking this up every month. That means these people are high intent. They literally want to buy this product. That's not accounting for all the people that are unaware of this stuff. They don't even know that this is possible for them, or that this is, that there are affordable solutions for these kinds of products. They all probably think it's like extremely expensive. So there's so many angles you could tackle. And honestly, I probably wouldn't, you don't need to get super creative. You can actually just copy. So I'm looking at the ads library of jobs. So they have over 2,300 ads that they've launched, and some of them are off now. But these are actually sorted by highest impressions. So these are the ones that have gotten the highest impressions from them. So we know that these are good. And you see, they're doing a lot of extra codes. So again, I would copy the same thing. I would just say, order now and receive a 99 gift. Use this to get $100 off. And of course, price your product accordingly so that you don't lose money. That's the other thing, guys. If you're just launching your business, try not to lose money. I mean, try not to, give somebody like 50% off of this and then be super unprofitable. That's not very sustainable. Try to look at your numbers and make sure it all makes sense before you launch. That way you're going to be able to scale profitably. Some of these stores, actually, this one specifically, which is the demo store that I built inside ShopiLab. I built this entire store from scratch, even coming up with the name inside ShopiLab. I don't know what's going on with these images. We'll have to get that fixed ASAP. But this one is literally at like 30% margins every single day. It's crazy. And I spend less than 30 minutes a day managing it. This is really the year of the one-person Shopify store. That's what I'm, coining, because there's just so many incredible tools. Like anybody can create an amazing Shopify store experience with a really lean supply chain, like I just showed you. With TeamDrop, we're fulfilling all our orders for all these stores, and we're getting packaging inserts in there. We have really beautiful cards so that people can give us good reviews and things like that. But yeah, that's kind of it for the store. I didn't even really want to browse the landing page too much because I just think that can make people overthink the process. And I think it's just better for you to focus on the product images. I genuinely think that. And also like the bundle here. So just having like a really solid offer, really solid product images, and then having really strong ads. So a lot of their ads, like I said, are like all about, getting this thing for cheaper. So these probably aren't the best ads to launch with just cold traffic, but I still would probably, interestingly enough, they're targeting a lot of men with some of these images, which is actually interesting. I think that's also a pretty untapped niche, but they're doing a lot of offer ads. So I would definitely tap into that, just doing more offer ads just like they are. And then, I would order the product too if you can. I try to always order the products that we test and use them, actually use them and make sure that they're really good. And a lot of times that's what I love about TeamDrop and working with them is their average quality is really good. Like if you buy products from Alibaba or other sourcing agents out there, a lot of times they're going to try to find you the cheapest possible product, which is actually not good. You don't want to have the cheapest possible product at the beginning because that means the product is just bad quality. So look for products that are good quality, and I think TeamDrop has a really good quality standard, and I really appreciate that about them. But besides that, there's a lot of UGC ads that they're running. So you could do the same. You can hire UGC creators to make you B-roll for a product like this, and it wouldn't be very expensive. There's a lot of good resources like Join Brands or even Fiverr these days is pretty decent for UGC creators, at least just to get some content. But yeah, they're doing a lot of that, and they're doing some partnership ads as well. So yeah, I love this niche. I think it's a good asymmetric market. For all the reasons that I mentioned, there's a lot of demand and it's only growing. There's still a ton of unaware people in this market, but then there's also not really like a known brand in this market that's just like completely eating the whole market. There's a lot of potential for new brands to come in. People are willing to try new brands, and people are willing to also spend the money to do these things because it saves them money in the long run. That's another great angle. Is that, not only is this going to help you reduce wrinkles, which seems to be their biggest angle, but also it's going to save you money because, you don't need to spend all this money on like spa treatments and stuff. You can just do it yourself for a one-time price. So that's one thing I really love about this one. But Let me know if you have any questions about anything. If you want to join our accelerator where you get one-on-one support from me and my team and potential funding opportunities as well, then click the first link in the description. You can apply to join. We only accept people by application, but besides that, join our community for free. I mean, we have a free Discord. I'm always active in there. I love our free community. You can access the sourcing for absolutely free as well. So you can use TeamDrop for free. You can get anything sourced for free and shipped for free and linked to your store for free. You can also use our store builder for free, and you can try DraftPi for free as well for getting all your product images and your static ads done. That's literally the workflow that I'm following and that I'm having all of our members follow as well. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it inspiring. I'm definitely finding it inspiring, especially because I noticed that this brand has the same template as another brand that I've been very inspired by that does $1 billion a year in revenue, and it's called YouLike. I've talked about them before, but it's literally the same exact template. It's probably even the same brand, the same parent company, but as you see, they sell this product and they have almost the same exact kind of layout. But yeah, very interesting stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.